In this lesson, you'll learn why you need an appealing product like an ebook, how to create one step by step to reach out to more ideal clients, and how to set it up. In this digital age, an ebook is the perfect product with which you can help your prospective clients on the way to achieving their fitness goals. An ebook can be read on any mobile device, so your clients need never be without it. It can communicate richly detailed information in an accessible and easy to digest form. First, you want to survey your clients' needs, goals and frustrations so that you can create an ebook based on solving one of their problems. What you want to do is try and look for patterns and trends. Focus on one specific problem, for example stubborn belly fat, that you see popping up time after time. The next step is to write your product with an emphasis on the client's needs identified in the first step. You want to address the reader directly and try and strike a helpful and companionable tone which will help them remember that you are working with them to achieve their goals. You should also take steps to debunk popular myths and misconceptions which can actually get in the way of them achieving their goals. You also want to include an example workout and/or nutrition plan. Now, your ebook should dive deep on the theory behind what will make your plan work. You should walk the line between including enough detail to establish your knowledge and authority, while also keeping your writing clear and concise. However, when you've clearly explained your solution to the problem, you should also include an example workout and even a nutrition plan, and this will give them context and framework around which to build their newfound knowledge in practical terms. After that, you want to name your ebook. Well, now that you have your content down, you'll need to come up with a name for your book. By all means, indulge your creative side a little, but be sure that your ebook does exactly what it says on the proverbial tin. Try and build your title around the problem at hand and your target audience. For example, 5 belly blasting tips for busy mums, or 3 fat loss tips for office workers. After that, you want to design a cover. Your next step will be to design a cover for your ebook. It should be attractive and eye-catching while also hinting at the contents therein. Be sure to use royalty-free images and brush up on the psychology behind different colours when making aesthetic choices. After that, you want to get your ebook edited. Now, once your ebook is complete, you'll need to cast a fresh pair of eyes over it. Get a friend or someone you trust to cast an editorial eye over the book. They should keep an eye out for typos and lapses in grammar, but they should also provide insights into how the book feels for the reader. After that, you want to create a landing page. Now it's time to create a landing page for your ebook. This will essentially be your sales pitch and encourage users to buy, or perhaps at the very least, download a free sample so that they can test the goods. Once you've done that, you want to create an upsell. Now, if your landing page has been successful, then hopefully you will have ignited a fire in the reader. However, leave it too long and that fire will sputter out. To capitalize on reader interest, it's a good idea to integrate a one-time offer into your thank you page so that they can pull the trigger on a service because they feel motivated and inspired by your ebook.